Imagine you wake up early in the morning, grab your coffee, and start scrolling through your phone. Your voice assistant suggests a new app to help you manage your day. And an AI powered ad pops up recommending a product you didn't even know you needed. But now you can't resist. The best part is you can try it virtually before buying, right from your phone. This isn't the future, this is now. AI and cutting edge technologies are redefining how brands connect with you, me, and the world. So in today's video, we are diving into the 6 biggest digital marketing trends shaping 2025 and how they are transforming everything we thought we knew about reaching customers. From AI to VR, voice search to personalization, these trends are your guide to staying ahead of the game. And if you are a marketer, business owner, or just curious about the future, you will want to stick around. So let's break it down. Let's kick things off with AI and machine learning. Because let's face it, AI isn't just a trend anymore, it's the backbone of digital marketing in 2025. Think about it, AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper are doing more than just automating tasks. They are creating hyper-personalized ad campaigns, analyzing customer sentiment, and even generating full-blown marketing strategies. Here's an example. Imagine running a bakery. With AI, you can send personalized messages to your customers, like reminding Sarah it's her anniversary next week and suggesting a special cake. And for larger brands, tools like Sephora's chatbot don't just answer questions, they recommend makeup shades based on your skin tone and preferences. How cool is that? The takeaway is AI doesn't just save time, it builds stronger connections with your audience. So start small, use AI-powered tools for email marketing or customer segmentation, and watch your campaigns go from good to game-changing. Now, while AI is changing how we create content, voice search is transforming how customers find it. Let's talk about the next big trend: voice search and voice commerce. Let's suppose you ask, "Hey Alexa, find me the best running shoes under $100." Voice search isn't just a convenience anymore, it's how a huge chunk of consumers interact with brands. In fact, over 35% of US households now own a smart speaker. But here's the catch. Voice search optimization isn't the same as traditional SEO. Let's take an example. Suppose you're in a coffee shop, ranking for best coffee in Seattle isn't enough anymore. Voice queries are conversational, like "What's the best coffee near me that's open now?" This means you need to focus on long-tail conversational keywords and make sure your website is optimized for local search. Voice search is all about meeting consumers where they are literally. While voice search is reshaping how consumers find products, AR and VR are also transforming how they experience them. Let's dig into it. The next exciting trend, which is augmented reality and virtual reality. Augmented and virtual reality have stepped out of this gaming world and into marketing, and they are here to stay. Picture this, you are buying furniture online and instead of guessing how it looks, you use IKEA's AR app to place the couch in your living room. Or imagine trying to make up virtually like Sephora's lets you do to find the perfect shade before you buy. But it's not just the retail. Real estate agencies are offering virtual tours of homes, and even car dealerships are letting customers experience test drives through VR. These aren't just flashy gimmicks, they are the game changers in customer experience. So if you are into any industry that involves visual products or spaces, AR and VR can set you apart. So start exploring platforms that align with your business and wow your audience. Speaking of engagement, let's talk about the king of content formats and videos. And yes, it's still dominating in 2025. Also, just a quick information, if you are interested to start a career in digital marketing, then check out Simplilearn's postgraduate program in digital marketing in partnership with Purdue University. This course provides a robust and industry-relevant curriculum to help you become a certified digital marketing expert, and the program covers essential digital marketing components like website creation, SEO, SEM, social media marketing, and many more. A year of experience is preferred, so hurry up and enroll now and find the course link in the description box below and in the pinned comments. So let's talk about the trend 4, which is the continued dominance of video content. We all know that video is everywhere: TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, but it's not just about short form anymore. Long form content is making a comeback, especially for tutorials and storytelling. Take live streaming as an example. A small business owner can use it to showcase products, answer customer questions in real time, or even give behind the scenes tours. And it's not just for big brands. Tools like Canva and InShot are creating professional looking videos easier than ever. The key is here: balance. Use short videos to grab attention and longer ones to build trust. And don't stress about fancy edits. What matters most is delivering value. So now we have covered how to create content. Let's talk about how to make it feel personal at scale. We are talking about the trend number 5, which is personalization at scale. Have you ever opened Netflix and it feels like it really knows you? That's personalization at work. By 2025, consumers expect this level of relevance from every brand they interact with. Let's say you have an online clothing store. With tools like HubSpot or Marketo, you can create dynamic emails that recommend outfits based on past purchases, browsing history, or even local weather. It's about making every customer feel seen and understood. Remember, personalization isn't just a buzzword, it's the key to build loyalty in a crowded market. And finally, let's explore how social media and e-commerce are merging to create seamless shopping experience. We're talking about trend number 6, which is social commerce and shoppable content. Scrolling through your Instagram, seeing a dress you love, and buying it without ever leaving the app. That's social commerce. And it's taking over. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and even TikTok are integrating shopping features that make the buyer's journey frictionless. Here's an example. Beauty brands are using Instagram shoppable tags to showcase products. Customers can see a lipstick in a post, click on it, and purchase all within seconds. And for smaller businesses, partnering with influencers can amplify your reach while building trust. And the secret is here. Create visually appealing interactive posts that don't just sell but also engage your audience. So there you have it. All the 6 digital marketing trends shaping 2025: AI, voice search, AR video, personalization, and social commerce. These aren't just trends, they are the tools to transform your marketing strategy. So that's a wrap on this video. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask them in the comment section below. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.